Hi, this is Rich on the NCL Gem, and we're cruising with Kevin from Cruising with Wales, and we're just getting back from a great trip to the best of the Caribbean. And as always, we had a great time.
Ellis Island. Ooh, it's nippy out. I can move. I know I'm almost there. There's my lady.
Well, at least it's warmer.
She's just... Yes, right.
There she is. Oh, I see her over there. Oh, God.
You guys are fighting your own
We'll
selves.
get it in Puerto Rico, and we'll get it in St. Thomas.
You're the label person.
Lady Liberty.
I can get a real education.
And this is why you book a starboard side cabin when you leave from New York, because you will see Lady Liberty. Right, you'll see it on the way back. However, we'll probably be like 4 in the morning.
We talk at like 10.
But, you know, the Manhattan view.
No, that's right. You get to see the tower.
This is a good cruise. Either way, you get the nice sight on the way out. So, yeah.
I mean, that's substantial.
Yeah, I don't see it. She's kind of plus size.
She's kind of
She's Ruben Neff.
You got a little jump.
She's
buff.
She goes to the gym.
She's French, right?
1, 2, 3.
Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday to you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday to you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Happy birthday, Michelle.
I'm actually hungry on a cruise ship.
We're hungry on a cruise ship. We are changed, beautified a little bit because it's only first night. Oh, here he is. Roland, right?
Yes,
Roland. Roland is now escorting us to dinner.
Yeah, I'm your lift boy. Huh? Bring you down to deck 7.
Are we 7
or
or 6?
Yeah, you can go to
Magenta 6.
That is the
It's 7.
Crown Pacific. Here on deck 6 is Crown Pacific. If you want to go to Magenta,
Magenta.
one deck up, and
So?
then around the court. This is the Crown Pacific, straight ahead.
Uh-huh.
And you go straight to the midship.
Oh, midship.
And from there you go down one deck to Magenta, all right?
Yeah, we should know that.
You
Thank
should
you.
know that. Yeah, you're Navi.
Thank you. So now we're going to Magenta for dinner. We're a half an hour late for our reservation, but you know what? It's okay. Why? Because it's cruise day. And we're cruising. Hey guys, tonight we're eating at Magenta. It is a complimentary restaurant, and here's the menu. Can you tell that I'm hangry? And we're just gonna get to eating tonight. Feel free to pause it at any time. Hey guys, so our entrees just came and I just wanted to give you a quick tip because I'm trying to enjoy my first meal today, so I'm not going to vlog the whole time. But I wanted to let everybody know that this is what is this? The spare rib.
Spare ribs, yeah.
Pork spare ribs. It was an entree, and I ordered it as an appetizer size. So I made it a little bit smaller, and I'm being an idiot. I should just flip the thing around. But they make it smaller, and so you're not wasting food, and you can try it if you want. Sounds like a good idea to me. You're right, my glasses do pop tonight.
They do.
I'm popping. See ya! We finished dinner, and now we're on to dessert. So let's take a look at what they're serving up tonight. So I just am walking to the room. Just wanted to recap tonight. Had a great first day. After our dinner at Magenta, we ended up coming back to my room, and we put together the gift bags for tomorrow's meet and greet. So everybody that goes on our group cruises, we do some swag bags for them, just as a thank you for coming and sailing with us. And I want to thank Wendy Hyde and Karen Carter for assisting me to put the gift bags together. And they're all ready. Tomorrow, I'm so sorry. The ship is very rocky right now. But I wanted to thank Wendy and Karen for helping me put the bags together for all of our group cruisers. And they're all gonna get their surprises tomorrow at the meet and greet, which has been moved both in location and time. Apparently, I have the hiccups, sorry. Apparently, they double and triple booked the rooms, and they didn't get everybody's requests. And, oh, here's the hallway I'm looking for. That's what happened. So a couple of our events have moved to different locations, and I'm going downstairs right now to pick up my water package. This far. And so I don't know, it's been a good first day. And I just wanted to kind of recap with you and say goodnight. I'm gonna get up early, have breakfast, try to get the sunrise maybe. We'll see though, you never know. Anyways, good night everybody.